Hello, this is an explanation video for Friday, October 1st, first day of October. So we're in module 2 right now. So please come down to day 5, October 1st. Okay, so let's start with the sync. So today we have 2 activities. We will do a spelling and grammar check practice. This is to help us learn how to use a very helpful feature of Google Drive, Google Docs. Okay, it's the grammar and spelling check function. So open this document, and what we'll do is read these instructions. Okay, there's 2 types of lines here. See, we have a blue line here, and we have a red line here. And all throughout this text, we see blue lines and red lines. The blue line indicates a grammar error. So here we have choosing a career path may one of the most. So may one, this is a grammar error. The red line indicates a spelling error. So if you notice here, should is spelled wrong, right? This is not how you spell should. So what you do is when you find one of these blue or red lines, you right-click on the word and see what the program recommends to correct it. So for example, I'll click on this blue line and it says maybe one. Now let's see, choosing a career path may be one of the most difficult decisions you ever make. That sounds correct. So I'm going to go ahead and select this option. Okay, now it's correct. You can see there's no more blue line. And that's it. So then I come to this one here, should, I right click, and here's the correct spelling. So I know that this is going to be the correct way to write this word. And you'll just go through all of these blue and red lines and do a right click and correct them. So that's the first activity. Let's come back to the sync folder. Preview tomorrow's Spark reading. So this is our Spark reading for this week, a young YouTube star. So we're going to read about how to use the Spark program to preview it. And then we're going to look at the article and take a look at some of the questions to make sure we understand how to answer them correctly. So let's go back to, now let's look at the async. So for the async, we have the Spark article. And here is a link to the article. Click here, log in, and it will take you to the article. Also, you can watch this video here from the Ellen DeGeneres show to see a preview of the article for today. Then we have a discussion activity. It's a reflection. What have you learned this week? So I want to know something that you learned this week. Okay, we talked about identifying goals, the SMART method for accomplishing goals. Okay, so I want to hear 1 or 2 things that you learned this week and how you can use it in your everyday life, whether it's grammar or SMART goals or computer skills, anything. I want you to record your answer for this assignment. Okay, so you want to click here and then click the microphone. You can do audio only or audio with video, it's your choice. And then when you're ready, make a selection and you can begin recording. Okay, so I recommend you to maybe write down some ideas and then read them so you can, know what to say when you start recording. Okay, so that is it. That is the final assignment for today, Friday, October 1st. Thank you so much for listening and best of luck.